welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes. Student, in this video we will learn about the measurement and motion. Okay. So, student, measurement. What is measurement? Okay. So, measurement means the comparison of an unknown quantity. Okay. The measurement means the comparison of unknown quantity with some known fixed quantity, okay, of the same kind. Okay, that means the measurement unknown quantity, comparison of an unknown quantity. Okay, and also with some unknown fixed known fixed quantity of the same kind. Okay, so student, what is unit? So the unknown fixed quantity is called unit. Okay, the unknown fixed quantity is called unit. Okay, so student, what is unit? Means the non-fixed. Okay, the non-fixed. The non-fixed quantity so the non-fixed quantity is called unit. Okay, so student, suppose we know about the length of this blackboard. Okay, so this blackboard, suppose the length of blackboard, suppose 2 meter. Okay, 2 meter. So we can write 2 meter. Okay, so 2 meter. In here, we can write 2 number and m means meter. Okay, so what is the meaning of 2m? Means we can write the number means the meter about the length of the blackboard 2 meter. So the number that we can write 2 and meter, that the part of this 2. Okay, so what is the unit of this length? The quantity means meter. That means we can write 2 meter. Okay, so this is the formula. We can say the formula, or we can write the length of the blackboard. Okay, now need for measurement. Okay, need for measurement. Need for measurement. So, student, why we need measurement? Means a particular that any substance, means the particular that material like cloth. Okay, so it should be important for us because we can buy any suppose cloth. So what is the length of cloth? Why we need cloth? And you know about the distance between your house and our school. Okay, so it is important for need for measurement. Every distance, suppose your house and our school. So what is the different distance of your school and your house? Okay, so it is important to need for measurement. Okay, student, also we know standard units of measurement. So what is the standard units of measurement? Standard units of measurement. Standard unit of measurement. Okay, so standard unit means particularly any quantity that we study in physics is known as standard quantity. Okay, so especially in physics. Okay, so measurement of a physical quantity means comparing it with non-standard quantity. Okay, so student, need of standard units. Need of standard units. Now we come need of standard unit. So student, we already know the definition of unit. So need of standard unit. Okay, so student, in early time period, means the ancient time period, the men were that they could apply different type of measurement. Okay, suppose they use their hand, okay, they use their elbow, they use their span, okay, and they also use their pace. Okay, pace means the length of our leg. Okay, so all these are the non-standard unit. Okay, so what is why need of standard unit? Okay, so student, mainly the hand span. Okay, so hand span of different peoples are different. Okay, so student, if a particular distance means what is the distance of this blackboard? So you can say the different non-standard means you can use non-standard like hand span. Okay, and also you can use cubit and also use pace. Okay, so that means all these are non-standard. And what is the standard? Particular standard unit means non-standard are always that standard are different from different people. Okay, so student, standard units of length. What is standard unit of length? Now we come the standard unit of length. So student, what is metric method? Metric, that system, particularly in, so standard unit are those have the fixed and therefore do not vary from person to person and place to place. Okay, standard unit are particular fixed. Okay, and for example, metric system. What is metric system? Metric system created by French in 1790. Okay, it is standard set of units. Okay, it is standard set of unit. And ancient Egyptian mainly also standard the cubit. Okay, and also they mark the certain length on a piece of granite. Okay, student, also later adopted different standard units measurement solve only the half of the problem. Okay, so later they developed the measurement of length like the international system. Okay, so the international system of unit we can say SI unit. Okay, means the international unit that adopted common set of unit. Okay, so student, also SI unit was adopted in 1960. Okay, 1960. Also SI is the short form of that system, system international D units. Okay, in France. Okay, student, so you can say tell me, suppose the length of particular length of 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer means kilometer means am equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. Okay, we can write m. Okay, similarly 1 meter we can write this short form m. We can denoted by m. And how many 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? centimeter. Or we can write cm. Okay, and also that centimeter. Okay, so 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. Okay, 10 mm or millimeter. Okay, 10 millimeter mm. So student, this is the standard unit of length. Okay, so kilometer, 1 kilometer means 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, or we can write m. Okay, we can write m. Meter means m, and also 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, and also 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, this is the standard unit of measurement of length. Okay, now we come the decimal system. Decimal system of weight and measure. Okay, measures the based on the meter. Okay, and also the kilogram and second each are called metric system. For example, if the distance between Ria's home and her school, suppose 3000 meter, express the distance in kilometer. So we can write the we can express the meter to kilometer. Okay, so the distance between Ria's home, example, so the distance between Ria's home. Okay, so student, the distance between the Ria's home and her school is, and her school is 3000 meter. So student, what will we find? Mainly express the distance in kilometer. Okay, so student, we can write so express the distance in kilometer. Okay, student, so what is the distance between Ria's home and her school? Okay, so we know about 100 means we know about 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So we can write that 3000 meter is equal to 3000 by 1000. Okay, so you can write 0 0 cancel and 3. So the right answer is 3. Okay, 3 kilometer means 3000 meter is equal to 3 kilometer. Okay, this is the answer. Now come to devices used to measurement of length. Okay, so some of the devices that measure the length of the distance. Okay. Okay, student. So what is devices used to measure a length? Okay, so student, apart from different units of measurement, there are different standardized device used for measuring. Okay, length and distance. Okay, so the simple standard device for measuring length of a line is a ruler or meter scale. Okay, so meter scale, that a correct meter scale should have an arrow at the left and also another arrow at the right end. Okay, so with a stamp of the Department of Weight and Measure. Okay, so particularly with a stamp of the Department of Weight and Measure. Okay, so student, correct measurement of length. So how we measure the correct length of the any substance? Okay, so student, we have need particularly tape or scale. Okay, so distance of something from 1 and 2 other is called length. Okay, so distance of something from 1 and 2. Suppose the distance of blackboard. Okay, this is the one end and this is one end. Okay, so the distance of something, suppose blackboard, from 1 and 2 other end. Okay, that is length. So what is length of blackboard? Suppose the length of blackboard. So this is the length. Okay, so student, can be measure using a ruler or a measuring tape. Okay, so we can measure the measuring tape and ruler and measure rod also. Okay, so whichever is convenient for required purpose. Okay, so student, some of the precautions we can use that taken for the when we measure any substance. Okay, so mainly the scale must be placed in contact with the object. Okay, suppose scale, we measure the length of any material. Okay, so what is the length of any material that we can use the meter or scale. So scale that present number centimeter, one side inch also unit of length. Okay, so centimeter or inside the centimeter, that's millimeter. Okay, so we can measure the length. Or student, we should take some particular precautions like if the edge of ruler is one out broken. Okay, and the measurement should be started from any other mark. Okay, and that is fully clear. For example, if the reading at one end is taken from 1.0 means centimeter mark and other end is 0.6. So what is the length? Suppose 0.1 end and another end 0.6. So what is the difference? What is the exact centimeter? The 1.0 and 6.0. Okay. So student, the exact means we can write in 6.0 minus 5.0 centimeter. Okay, so student, also I should be exactly in front of the point where the measurement is to be taken. Okay, now we come the different types of that measuring length, like suppose thread, we can use the curved surface, like suppose this is the curved surface. Okay, so what is the how we can measure the curved surface? So we cannot use the tape, ruler or the tape scale, measure scale. That we can use divider or thread, the length of the curved surface. for area or for surface. Okay, so now come to measurement of other physical quantity. Okay, so measurement of different. Okay, student, now we are going to discuss measurement of other physical quantities. Measurement of other physical quantities. Okay, so in our day-to-day life, mainly that include a different type of physical quantity. Okay, that mass, time, temperature. Student, that you already learned about the physical quantity, that length, next mass, time and temperature. Okay, so student, mass is the quantity of matter, okay, that contained in an object. Okay, the SI unit of mass is kilogram, kg. SI unit of mass. SI unit of mass, kilogram. Kg. Okay, so SI unit of mass, that is the kilogram. Okay. And SI unit of use of instrument. Okay, so what is the instrument that we can measure the mass? Okay, so some of the instrument particularly to measure the mass of an object. Okay, so a balance is used, a beam balance like digital balance. Okay, to commonly use for balance. Okay, time. So time duration mainly that elapsed between an event and the next. Okay, so what is the SI unit of time? SI unit of time. Second. And different type of instrument we can use to measure the time. Okay, and also we can donate second, then S. Okay, student, so different instrument, you know about the instrument like watch. Okay, that watches, clock and also stopwatches. Okay, and temperature is used to measure the degree of hotness or coldness of body. So SI unit of temperature, that Kelvin. SI unit of temperature, Kelvin. We can write K, Kelvin, K. And other unit like Celsius or Fahrenheit. Okay, so some of the Fahrenheit, degree of Celsius, Fahrenheit and also Celsius, the instrument used to measure temperature is called thermometer. Okay, student, so this is your chapter measurement. Okay, we already learned about measurement. Next class we will learn the motion. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.